Very good morning, BVPNs. Today I am again with you with a very interesting poem, that is The Last Bargain. So, students, The Last Bargain is a poem written by the famous and renowned Bengali poet Rabindranath Tagore. It is a poem about a person looking for a job. The speaker is the poem is searching for a job in which he doesn't have to lose his freedom. Come and hire me, I cried while in the morning. I was walking on the stone paved road, sword in hand, the king came in his chariot. He held my hand and said, I'll hire you with my power. But his power counted for naught, and he went away in his chariot. He receives the first proposal from a king. The king offered him power in return for his labor, but he refuses king's offer. In the heat of midday, the houses stood with shut door. I wandered along the cooked lane. An old man came out with his bag of gold. He pounded and said, I'll hire you with my money. He raised his coin one by one, but I turned away. The poet receives the second offer from a rich man. He offered the speaker lot of gold in return of his labor, but the speaker refuses his offer also. It was evening, the garden hedge was all aflower. The fair mat came out and said, I'll hire you with a smile. Her smile paled and melted into tears, and she went back alone in the dark. He receives the third offer from a beautiful girl. She said that she will give him smile in return for his labor. The speaker refused her offer. The sun glistened on the sand and the sea wave broke waveyardly. A child sat playing with shells. He raised his head and seemed to know me and said, I hire you with nothing. For henceforward the bargain struck in child's play made me a free man. So students, in the end he finds a child playing on a seesaw. The child says that he'll offer him nothing in return for his service. The speaker accepts the child's offer as he can still be a free man, because he wanted to become a free man. He don't want to work under a pressure of anyone. So he wanted to live a free life with his freedom, with his self-freedom. So that was the poem, students. I hope all of you have got this poem. I'll send the PDF of this chapter. Till then, keep reading, keep studying, stay healthy, stay safe. Bye.